Welcome back to our show, and today we are discussing about the relationship, and for this we have in our studio Vastu and Feng Shui expert Dr. Rupa Batra. So Dr. Batra, here I want to know that what things you should keep in your mind for your relationship, for your healthy and good relationship.
Well, I like to give you some tips, very important tips, so that you can celebrate your Valentine in a very nice way. What you can do is make your own Valentine card. Do not buy from the shop. You can give a personal touch. The right type of feeling it comes out when you make
These kind of things.
The Valentine card for your Valentine.
Okay.
You can make for everybody, like you can make for your life partner also. You can make for your soulmate also who are not married. You can make for your parents also. You can make for your brother sister,
whatever,
you can make, yes. So you can give that personal touch with making with
the
your
cards
own
with your
yes.
hand.
So
That is
so
very
that
sweet.
cannot be, you cannot buy all those things.
Okay.
So you can make the Valentine card. Very first thing, make a Valentine card with your own hand. Spend time on it.
And that is very special thing.
And put your feelings into it, and those feelings comes out when you give that card. When you hand over the card to the person who you want to give, you want to,
Of course, you can receive a very big smile from your partner.
Yes, exactly. So this is the very first thing to give your Valentine first. And you can dip some strawberry chocolate, you can give this as a Valentine gift. This stimulates your family in a healthy way. It has been proven that fruit and chocolates are both good for your health. So strawberries, chocolates,
Of course, symbol of love.
some symbol of love.
Exactly.
It's red strawberry, it's energy.
Yeah.
So for that you can gift strawberries and
Chocolates.
yes. So it also gives a good feeling also while presenting these things. And you can gift some books also.
Okay, what kind of books we can give?
Anything which your Valentine likes. It can be a poem, it can be a story in which love is there, care is there. So you can gift your Valentine the book of his or her interest. Yes. So that is the best, and as you have read that readers are leaders.
Of course.
Yes. So even you can lead your relationship, you can lead your Valentine
By the book.
by the book, yes. And after that you update your resume.
Okay.
Valentine, it doesn't mean that only giving gifts to others. You can update yourself.
Of course.
You can be your Valentine also.
Of course.
You need to love yourself first. If you love yourself first, then you must fill up love with you. Then it comes out.
Exactly.
So first give everything to yourself. Love yourself. Completely fill yourself with love. Right, and then you can.
And it is very important for positive energy also.
Yes. So update your resume, loving yourself and making yourself a priority in good for your career sector. So this is going to help out in your career sector. And the next, you can seek blessings from your mom, your parents, your grandmom, grandparents, and the person whom you love. Maybe your favorite aunt, maybe your favorite uncle, the person who have helped you when you are in problem, they have helped you out of the way.
Exactly.
Yeah, so you can give them a feeling that on this day you have remembered those people.
Of course.
Yes.
That you are also a very important part of my life.
Yeah, those people are also a very important part of their life, and really they give for them. So this is one of the most nice and good thing. As you love yourself, then you love other people, and definitely you must remember all those person or the people in your life who have definitely helped you out in
In
many
different ways.
in the different ways in many matters. So let all those people know that how much you love them, and what happens is, as per feng shui, your fame and reputation sector
Exactly.
will progress.
Okay.
Yes. So this is a part of feng shui. As you do this, you will flourish in this way. Love your money. Get out of your debt. Start investing. Pay attention to your money, so it will grow into wealth. So what you need to do is, you need to clear the space, the wealth area as per feng shui. Decorate that area as per feng shui.
Where you keep your money things.
Yes.
Okay.
Do not keep your almirah in
Your
northwest,
safe and your
northwest and
Okay.
southeast. Keep it in southwest, so west and south, as it opens to east, northeast, and north, where you will flourish through your wealth. And again, in feng shui, you can see for Valentine, give love, 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 as it is the foundation from which all other goodness flows. Love based decisions are better feng shui than fear based ones. So do not feel loved, give love,
And celebrate the love.
celebrate love, and celebrate Valentine Day.
Okay, Dr. Batta, these are the very interesting whatever you said right now. Now I want to know what can be the things as gift we can give to our loved ones.
Well, as per feng shui gadgets, we can gift Mandarin doves.
Okay. It's a
Love-
pair of ducks.
Yeah, it's a pair of doves.
Doves, not ducks.
No. And yeah, love ducks also are also there, but Mandarin doves. So Mandarin doves are very good gifts for
Couple.
for couples and for better relationship.
Okay.
If there is problem in husband-wife relationship, or your partner have a problem with you, so you can place a Mandarin doves in southwest area of your bedroom, and you can keep it on your bed also, and make it a point that it should it should be placed in parallel ways, not it facing each other.
Okay.
As you face each other, it start quarreling. So
Okay.
you need to be made it pair
Okay.
in a way, so that they are walking
Only besides.
side besides.
Okay.
Yes. So Mandarin doves are very good gifts for
Couple.
Yeah.
And
for
those are
married-
in love.
Yeah, exactly. Even married couples can also keep this Mandarin doves in their bedroom for more better relationship and deep relationship between both of them.
Okay, we can gift as a marriage gift to those who are going to marry. We can gift them.
Yes, we can definitely give Mandarin doves as a gift to newly married couple, or even very old couple also in their marriage anniversaries.
Okay.
Yeah, these are very good gifts.
Okay. Okay, Dr. Batra, here I want to ask you that what tips you suggest for those couple who used to quarrel oftenly?
Well, many people ask me these type of questions that please ma'am, let me know about that. We should not fight to each other. Give me some tips for that. So what you need to check first is that is your bedroom in southwest or not? Very first thing. Second thing, that check in your bedroom that it should not be hot color scheme. It may be your bed sheet, maybe your wall color, maybe your curtains. You can check all the colors of all these things, and check that there should be no mirror in your bedroom which should reflect on the bed. I mean to say that while sleeping, any part of your body should not reflect in the mirror, which leads to quarrel and disputes and misunderstanding. And if your room is in southeast, again it is the same thing, that it's a fire element thing, so you need to check and shift it to the southwest of your bedroom, southwest of your home. And you can place lovebirds on your bed, in your bedroom. Take out all the water related pictures. Check out, avoid keeping God pictures, goddess picture in your room. Do not keep any book, slippers, shoes and utensils in your box bed. Avoid keeping all these things in your box of your bed, and take care about all the slippers, shoes. It should be arranged in a proper way, arranged in proper manner. It should not be scattered here and there. And your bed, under your bed, it should be clutter free. Most of the time what happens is that you fill up your under bed. If there is space, you keep things in
extravagant things.
Yeah, unwanted thing, extra things, you keep it, you put it there, and then again the negative. The main thing is to say that the energy flow should be there.
Okay.
And
just because of there's negative energy flow everywhere.
Yes, exactly. Again I repeat, the door should open properly. No noise should be there while opening the door. So keep in mind all these tips. Definitely your
couple life and your
your married life will make a difference. You'll go in a better way.
Okay, well, Dr. Batra, thank you so much for your precious advice, and we hope our audience will follow these tips definitely. That's all for today, and we hope you liked our program, and let us know about your feedback also. But if you have any problem regarding Vastu, then you can contact Dr. Rupa Batra, who has a chain of satisfied clients like film stars, ministers, diplomat, corporate sector, businessman to an ordinary man, not only in India but in other 18 countries as well. So friends, definitely we will be back next time with some another topic of Vastu and your interesting mail also. Till then, bye bye and take care. Dr. Rupa Batra, Vastu and Feng Shui expert. Our address, Global Vastu, E16/376, Sector 8, Rohini, Delhi 85. You can also contact us on these numbers 9560-423-423, 9560-546-546. You can also mail us batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. You can also join the Facebook www.facebook.com/Global Vastu. Clubs, associations, schools, colleges, corporates can contact for free Vastu awareness workshop. You can contact on these numbers 9560-423-423, 9560-546-546. You can visit our website also, which is www.globalvastu.com. You can also mail us on these IDs batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. Conditions apply.